Alright, got asked, how do you upload shorts to YouTube and using the web? Because a lot of folks can do it from their phone, but due to the way we do things, we have to do it from the interwebs on the PC where the videos are. So let's just blast through this right quick. First off, you have to have it in vertical format. Now, if everything's correct, YouTube, as you go through this, will just automatically set everything as a short, as long as they detect the right parameters, and that the parameters are vertical and less than 90 seconds. All right, so once you have that your video ready, you just click the upload arrow there, select your file. Boom, there's our file. You can dismiss this, but it will pop up every time. If it doesn't pop up, you need to take a look because you've got something wrong. But it looks like you're creating a short. Yes, I am. And ignore the numbers. That is just the vidIQ stuff. So we're going to throw the title in here. And this is the Crank It Up video that's about to come out. So you can use the reuse button we just clicked on. I'll show you guys again here in a second. Then you go find what you want to reuse. SMR, Crank It Up. Change the title. And uncheck the description. Uncheck anything you need to, because you definitely want to replace the title and the description. And then I'm going to put the description in here, which I already have made up. Okay, then I'm going to scroll down, make sure it's in your correct playlist. No, it's not made for kids. No, we don't have any product placement or endorsement, so we don't have to select a brand. Altered content. No, I do not have any altered content. Scroll down. This stuff should default into place. Then you just add any relevant tags, which I've done. vidIQ. Some of this extra stuff you're seeing is from vidIQ, which is handy. You go down here. English is set by default. Standard YouTube license. You also want to go. You have to go and check the recording date, which is what we did. Go down gaming, iRacing. Everything else is correct. Next, because shorts are automatically monetized, you just go down through here, look through these questions and make sure none of them fit. They don't. Once you click none of the above, or you click whatever you need to over here, then you click on submit rating. Next. Now, if you have a related video, subtitles, or products, you can do that here. We always add the related video, so you can, if you want to, you watch a short and you see a race, you want to go see that race. I go and then I search for it, find it, add it. Copyright, nothing found. Ad suitability, nothing found. Boom, boom. And I'm going to click public on this, but if you need to, if you're scheduling, like we do the vast majority of ours, we end up scheduling. You go here, you select your date and time, and it is based off whatever time zone you are in. So I click public, click publish, and it goes to this. Now, if it didn't have enough time for it to validate the video is okay, then it will pop up a warning here. But otherwise, hey, that one's uploaded. You just figured out how to upload a short from the internet. Have a good one, y'all.